welcome back to our YouTube channel. Are you dreaming of working in Germany but don't have a job offer yet? Good news! In 2026, Germany is opening doors wider than ever with the Germany Chancenkarte, also known as the Chancenkarte. In this video, I'll explain what it is, who can apply, eligibility points, benefits, and whether this is worth it for you in 2026. Let's get started. So what is Germany Chancenkarte? The Germany Chancenkarte or the Chancenkarte is a point-based job seeker residence permit introduced to attract skilled workers from non-EU countries. Unlike traditional work visas, you do not need a job offer to apply. You can come to Germany, stay legally, search for jobs, attend interviews, and even work part-time. So let's talk about its validity and work rights. Valid for up to 12 months, allowed part-time work up to 20 hours per week, trial employment allowed for up to 2 weeks per employer. Once you get a full-time job, you can convert it into a work permit or blue card. Now let me explain the point system for the Chancenkarte. To qualify, you need at least 6 points based on the following criteria. Qualification recognized in Germany, up to 4 points. Work experience, 2 to 5 years, up to 3 points. German language skills, A1 to B2, up to 3 points. Age below 35, 2 points. Previous stay in Germany, 1 point. English language skills, 1 point. You do not need everything, just 6 points. Now let's talk about the education and skill requirements. You must have a recognized university degree or a vocational qualification of at least 2 years recognized in Germany. Professions in demand include IT and software, engineering, healthcare and nursing, logistics and skilled trades, hospitality and construction. Now let's talk about the financial requirements. You must show proof that you can support yourself in Germany. Around 1,027 euros per month, blocked account or sponsor, or proof of part-time income in Germany. This is mandatory for 2026 as well. Now let's talk about the benefits of the Chancenkarte. No job offer required, legal stay in Germany for job search, work part-time while searching, pathway to permanent jobs and residency, family reunion possible later. This makes the Chancenkarte the most flexible migration options in Europe in 2026. Now let's talk about the limitations that you must know. It's not a permanent residency, no direct PR or citizenship, strong competition, language skills greatly improve success. Germany gives you the opportunity, but you must be proactive. Now who should apply in 2026? This visa is perfect for young professionals, skilled workers without job offers, IT and technical professionals, candidates willing to learn German, people looking for long-term settlement in Germany. If you're skilled, motivated, and ready to hustle on the ground, the Germany Chancenkarte could be your golden ticket to Europe in 2026. So friends, this brings us to the end of our brief and informative video about the Germany Opportunity Card or the Chancenkarte and how to apply for it in 2026. I hope you liked the video. If you got value out of this video, please like, comment, and share the video. And for more information, log on to our website. We'll mention the link in the description below. Thank you for watching this video. This is Ashutosh Jha signing off. Until next time.